Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another video. So today I have this really nice, or is this nice? I'm not gonna call it ugly, am I now? Why am I being like this? Anyways, I have this greeny purple with a burst of, a little sunshine in the inner corner look going on for you right here. Yeah, and if you want to see how I got this look, which was quite easy to do, easiest look I've done. I know I say that all the time, like it's so easy to do, but it's actually easy to do. There was no good crease required, so just splash it on, blend it out, you're good to go. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching and I'll see you in 2 seconds. I am going to be using my Makeup Revolution concealer in C13, which is like my highlighting shade, and then I'm going to pop that around my around my nose bridge, just so it can help you transition between the eyeshadow and when I'm applying my foundation later on, because sometimes if you don't, you end up getting that really dark inner corner going on and you're like, how did it happen? I don't know. But yeah, this does help a lot. I'm just going to take a brush to blend that out, and then I'm going to go with my beauty blend again just to pat it in a bit more. Alright, now you have that on nicely and smoothly. Like, what am I saying? Okay, I'm going to take my tape. Wow, that is dusty. Okay, I'm going to take my tape and I'm just going to put it on my outer corner just so I can have really nice crisp line. Instead of cleaning up later, it will help a whole lot more because I already have a really nice sharp outer corner. And I'm sorry if I keep looking over there, which is my viewfinder. I'm trying to make sure I'm in focus, and then I forget about myself and I just end up staring at it instead of you. So hopefully I'll remember. Alright, so today instead of using my NYX Jumbo pencil, I'm actually going to use my, again, Makeup Revolution concealer, but this one is in the shade C12. This is one shade lighter than my highlighting color, so it should be a really good base. And I'm just gonna pop that on my lid. I'm gonna blend that out everywhere because I am trying not to do a cut crease today, because I love doing cut crease. You guys know that. But I'm like, let's try something different today. We're attempting to try something different today. Alright, so for my first shade, I'm gonna go in with this. Oh, I'm using my Sleek Ultra Matte Volume 2 palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is called Orbit, and I'll pop that. And I'll pop that right in my crease. Let's say from the outer corner to the 75%, all the way to the inner corner, but not quite at the inner corner. So just pop that down here, all the way to almost my inner corner, but not really, and buff it out lightly as well as I apply it, going in with circular motions as well as back and forth motions, just to really diffuse out the color. Next, I'm going to go to my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take this yellow shade right here, and I'm really going to pack that into my inner corner. So that's why I left that empty. So I'm going to press that in there, buff it out. Alright, and now blend that slightly above the Orbit shade. Going back in with my first brush. I'm not going to apply any more product, but I'm just going to blend that color out. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with Orbit again, except this time I'm going to be packing the color on right into my crease to get the maximum payoff for the pigmentation. And when you come to the inner corner, just feather it in lightly to the yellow. I'm going to take a fluffy brush. Why do I say blush? A fluffy brush. A fluffy brush. And blend that out. All right, next I'm gonna dip into, what shade is this, because it's a pain in the ass to guess it. All right, so I'm gonna guess into dip. Next I'm gonna dip into ink right there, which is the blue color, and the green here, which is called fan, I believe. Yes, I'll dip into those two with the same brush that I used for orbit, just to deepen it up a little bit, add a bit of dimension in there. I'm putting that mostly in the outer corner, like concentrating it in the outer corner, because that's where I want most of the color payoff to be anyways. Now I'm going to drag it onto my lid slightly, ever so slightly, and then buff it up to the crease again in windshield in circular motions. For some reason I feel like this eye is blending way more better than the other eye. Is it me? Does that happen to anyone else as well? Like one eye blends way more easily than the other one. Actually, I think I'm going to dip into the minty green color right here, just like a light tap on my fluffy brush, just to go over that. It might help with blending slightly, add a little something. Yes, it did. I'm going to take the black shade right there, which is called Noi, and I'll pop that in the outer corner. Alright, I lost some of my yellow, so I'm gonna blend in there. Alright, I think I'm gonna take that brush with the yellow on it and just blend it slightly above this, or above my orbit area, just to give it a minty gradient going on, if that makes sense. No, it doesn't. That's fine, don't worry about it. So next, what I'm gonna do is, alright, I'm gonna take the purple from the Zulu palette as well. I'm just gonna take the purple from the Zulu palette, and I'll pack that onto the center of my lids. I'm just using my hands. See what's going on. Can we make it work? We better. Yeah, we will. Okay. So I'm gonna put this purple in the center, just slightly. And after that's done, I am gonna go into my Zuru Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take this shade right here called Hibiscus. It's a very vibrant yellowy gold shimmery shade. And I'm going to pop that right into the inner corner out of the yellow, just to make it really bright and bubbly. I'm not really being precise with this, just ah, shit, that's not going how I want it to be. Okay, I think I underestimated the power of this color. Oh, yes, I did. I'll go back in with my brush just to diffuse it out ever so slightly, because this thing is ham. This time I'm gonna go in very lightly. Very. This is what I'm talking about. Alright, and we're done for the eyes for the moment. Okay, so I'm gonna put on some lashes real quick off camera, and then we're back to finish what? Yeah, the rest of the face. Yeah. Alright, so we're back on to the eyes once more. And why am I mentioning we're back on the eyes once more? Like that is nonsense. Okay, I'm gonna put on I'm going to take a black eyeliner and I'll put it onto the... Wait, oh, actually, I'll take it. Why am I not getting my words out? I'm going to take a black eyeliner and I'll put it from my outer corner all the way to almost my inner corner, just where the purple stops between the purple and the yellow. That's where I'm going to start the black liner. Alright, now you have that. For my inner corner, I'm gonna use a gold eyeliner. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't, we just smoke it out all black. Okay, I'm gonna go with my Orbit shade and just put that over the black eyeliner and smudge it out. And I'm going in very lightly, as I've already done my face and I don't want the products to go on my face. The fallout, sorry. I don't want the fallout to be on my face. I'm gonna take that lime greeny shade from Zulu palette and just dust that under it. I'm dipping back into the Zulu Cosmetics palette. I'm taking Hibiscus again, which is the yellow. And I'll take a small brush. Where am I gonna get a small brush from? I just take a small brush and pat that on to the inner corner. And on top of that hibiscus in the inner corner, I am gonna put my Makeup Addiction Snow Gold highlighter. It's a white highlight, but it has a really beautiful gold reflex to it. So if I pop that in the corner, in the inner corner, it's really gonna focus everything very beautifully right there. You see, so it's like 3 dimension in the crease, in the inner corner. Sorry, you have a little bit of matte in there, and then the shimmer, and then the boom. I'm gonna take my Silver Beauty Hydra liner in Dance Party UV line. It's Dance Party UV liner. It's a bright neon yellow, and my Fix Plus is a water activated. It's a water activated liner, so that's why I left it until I finish. I can't talk. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make little dots, kind of like bubbles, but it's gonna be little dots, big and small, different sizes, from my inner corner, from the yellow going towards the green, just kind of messily. Doesn't really have a formation to it, kind of like, you know, that just adds a little final detail to it, you know, instead of just being a boring gradient. It's not really boring, but it adds a little extra cuteness to it. How hard is it to make a circle, Jace? How? Maybe we should put like a dot. I don't necessarily like it. That I can work with. I mean, it's nice, but I wish I didn't put it on my lower lashes, if I'm honest. So the attention can just be on the lids. But we live and we learn. Actually, it looks nice. Yeah, you guys know, okay? You know this is my combo, my go-to everyday, not everyday, dramatic, neutral, any kind of eye look. It goes with this pencil. So I'm gonna take my IPS eye coat in brown wing. Yep. And we are gonna line the lips beautifully. Okay, for the lips, I'm gonna go in with the Luminous Lipstain or Luminous Forever Rain. Ooh, you know, I like it that's like rainy, queeny, like the TV show Rain. Like, rain is my shit, okay? Queendom is my shit. Royalty is my blood. Okay, Luminous Forever Rain Lip Stain in Midtown. It's a really beautiful warm tone nude. Yes, and then I'm going to take my Hank & Henry Lustre lip gloss in Your Mom. These are so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna put that in the center. Ugh, do you see that? Do you see this? Lip gloss lately has been definition of life, what I'm living for. My lip gloss is popping. Alright guys, so this is it for the finished look. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope that you found it easy to follow along too, and it wasn't too complicated or anything like that. Fingers crossed, hopefully it's not. Yeah, let me know if it was easy to follow along too. And if you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to hit that like button for me, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, thank you again, and I'll see you in my next video.